This applies only for those who are using an iPhone for taking photos. The iPhone has the ability to record photos in two formats, high-efficiency image format or JPEG. Kdenlive does not support high-efficiency image format, but the iPhone has an easy way to convert to JPEG. First, go to Settings. Next, scroll down until you see Photos. Tap it. On Photo Settings, scroll down until you see Transfer to Mac or PC Group. Set it to Automatic. Plug your iPhone to your PC. Do this only after you change the photo settings. The order is important. When the Apple iPhone folder appears, find the photo you want to copy. Notice that the extension is JPEG. Internally, the photos in your iPhone remained unchanged as high-efficiency image format. You are seeing what the photos will be saved as when you copy them. Copy them to your PC. Drag and drop them. After you're done, change the iPhone's transfer to Mac or PC group settings back to Keep Original. The high-efficiency image format has better image quality with a broader color range, a bit depth of 32. JPEG has a bit depth of only 24. When you archive your iPhone photos, you want to keep the originals.